Hello guys. Welcome to the Traveler YouTube channel. Today, we are at Ricefield Restaurant, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. It is located in a quiet place in an urban area. The restaurant is hidden down a small hallway and up a set of stairs. The restaurant decorated with traditional Vietnamese style and split it into two parts. Between each floor, you will see and feel that it has a lot of design ingenuity, and feel the beauty of the restaurant. Cozy indoor and countryside touch with Ricefield. On its rooftop can enjoy the view of Bitexco iconic building of Saigon. On the top floor, you will have a sense of tranquility. The food is traditional, but it will also make you enjoy it. The food was really delicious and looked beautiful. It is worth it as opportunity to visiting here, and hope to enjoy it here again.